What is lean manufacturing?
リーンマニファクチャーとは？
Toyota Production System, TPS, is based on the philosophy of achieving the complete elimination of all waste in pursuit of the most efficient methods. The Toyota Production System, TPS, uses a lean manufacturing system, or a just-in-time (JIT) system. This production control system is based on many years of continuous improvements. The objective is to make vehicles ordered by customers in the quickest and most efficient way, in order to deliver vehicles as swiftly as possible. This lean manufacturing methodology that improves productivity and eliminates all waste is a way of running a business, but when we understand and apply the principles day to day, the methodology can improve our lives.